What is a sandbox? Have you ever heard someone says an AI runs code in a sandbox and wonder what that actually means? It sounds technical, but honestly, it is one of the simplest and most useful idea in all of computing. By the end of this video, you will understand it completely. The real problem, let's understand the problem sandbox solve. Imagine you let a program or an AI run some code directly on your computer. If that code is unsafe or if someone sneaky wrote it, it could do some scary things. It could read your private files like your photos and passwords. It could quietly send your data to strangers over the internet. It could install a virus or it could even wipe out your whole system. That's a lot of trust to hand over. So how do we stay safe? And that's where the sandbox comes in. Here's the easiest way to picture it. Think back to being a kid playing in a sandbox at the park. Inside that box, you could dig, build castles, and make a giant mess. Total chaos, and that was totally fine. Why? Because the mess stayed inside the box. It never spread across the whole yard. And when you were done, you just brushed the sand off and walked away. A computer sandbox works in exactly the same way. It's a safe box where a program can make a mess without messing up anything outside of it. The definition, so let's put that into a simple definition. A sandbox is a safe walled off space where a program can run, but it cannot touch anything outside those walls. Or even simpler, whatever happens in the sandbox stays in the sandbox. Three quick words describes it. It is isolated, that means cut off from everything else. It is controlled, you decide what is allowed to do, and it is disposable. You can throw it away and start fresh anytime. Now let's see how it actually works, and don't worry, this stays simple. Picture two spaces with a wall between them. One side is the sandbox, that's where the program or the AI lives in. In here, it's free to run code, create files, and experiment all it wants. On the other side of the wall is your real computer, your personal files, your passwords, your network, and here's the magic. The program inside the sandbox simply cannot reach across that wall. It can see and touch only what is inside its own box. Your real stuff, this stays completely off limits. Let's make it crystal clear with a simple list. Inside the sandbox, the program can do plenty. It can run code, create its own files, use the internet if you allow it, make mistakes safely, and get wiped clean and reset. But here's what it cannot do. It can't touch your personal files. It can't steal your passwords. It can't install anything on your real system. It can't escape into the rest of your computer. And it can't cause any damage that sticks around. So it gets freedom to work, but zero power to hurt you. Now you have probably already seen sandboxes in action without realizing it, especially with AI. Example one, when an AI chatbot writes some code to say make a chart for you, that code runs inside a sandbox, not on your actual machine. Example 2, when an AI agent browses the web or edit files for you, those action happens inside a safe box, so it cannot go outside. And example 3, companies constantly test unknown code in sandboxes so that even if a script turns out to be harmful, it cannot touch the real servers. Sandboxes are what makes it safe to let AI actually do things. Beyond AI, and here's something cool, this is not just about the AI thing. You rely on sandboxes every single day, probably without knowing it. Every tab in your web browser is a sandbox, so one shady website cannot peek into another tab or grab your files. Every app on your phone is boxed off, so one app cannot secretly read another app's data. And apps you download run boxed in, so a bad one cannot take over your device. The sandbox idea is quietly protecting you all the time. So why you should care about all this? Three big reasons. First is safety. If something goes wrong, the damage stays trapped inside the box and never spreads. Second, privacy. Your real files and password, they stay hidden out of reach. And third is the trust, because things are safely content, we can comfortably let AI and other programs do a lot more for us. The sandbox is what makes the confidence possible. Here's the takeaway: a sandbox is a safe playpen for software. It can do its things inside, but it cannot break out. Simple as that. Next time you hear that an AI runs in a sandbox, you will know exactly what it means and why it's such a smart idea. If this made the concept clear for you, give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.